I'm Anu and this is my latest EV3 LEGO robotics project. I call it the Pokeball Creator. I was inspired by the popular game called Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is where you travel all around the world and you have to catch these different Pokemon in augmented reality. Use these Pokeballs to catch them. This robot creates these tiny Pokeballs. I created this robot because once I was trying to capture a new species, and I ran out of Pokeballs. It was so annoying, so I thought, why not create my own machine that would create Pokeballs? It's a pity that it doesn't actually install them in the game, but that's for the future. So this is the EV3 brick, or the brains of the robot. That's the part where you store the program. This is the servo that moves the ping pong ball back and forth. This is the servo that moves the motor left and right so you can draw in different places. This is the motor that moves the pen up and down so you can stop drawing and start drawing. So let's see it work. I used a plasma disc for special effects. Looks like a Pokeball. That I would call this a lightning ball. So it's drawing the black line around the Pokeball right now. Seems to be working very well. So this is the main program of the black line. When you start the program, it sends a message over here to turn the servo 10 times at 10 power, 1 rotations, 10 times, and repeat this process. After that, it goes to a my block. The my block is when start. Wait for 7 seconds so that the marker can draw, and then move 2 degrees to the right at power 5. Then repeat this process 4 times so that it makes a pretty thick black line. So that particular program made this black line. So one of my designs, I wanted to draw lines with a gap between the lines. Here's the second program to draw those lines. When you start the program, it sends a message over here to move the large motor that moves the ping pong ball 1 rotation and repeats that program 6 times. At the same time, after the message, it moves up the medium motor so that it doesn't draw lines between every rotation. Moves it 4 degrees so that there'll be a good amount of space between each line. Moves it down so it can draw. And wait 7 seconds so it has time to draw around, and then repeat this 5 times. Once it's done repeating this program, it lifts the pen up so the pen doesn't draw anymore. So let's try the lines of the Pokeball. So sometimes if you're very lucky, it hits the line over here and creates something that I like to call a monster ball. So the lines can always end up different on the ping pong ball. Like if you put the ball slanted, it could overlap the black line, or it could be a slightly different gap between the black line, or there could be a slightly different gap between each line. So now all you have to do is take out the Pokeball and put a button on it. And there you go. You have your very own Pokeball. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye!